There's unboxing, and then there's this. When the price tag reads $200,000, you're not just opening a box, you're opening a world built on precision, luxury, and obsession. Because what's inside isn't just a watch, it's a symbol. It's a silent declaration that time isn't just passing, you own it. Because this isn't glass or zirconia or glitter. Solid 18K white gold, hand-polished, built like a sculpture. It reflects light differently than steel. It bends it, warms it, commands it. The bezel is a circle of flawless diamonds, each one so precisely aligned that it looks liquid under the right angle. No gaps, no inconsistencies, just brilliance. These are VVS1 white diamonds, hand-set by master gemologists. The weight grounds you. The fit is exact. The diamonds flash but not like jewelry, more like lightning trapped in a circle. You move your hand, and the room notices. No branding needed. A conversation starter without sound. Silent code that says, I've made it hand. I have the receipts. You don't just walk in and ask for it. You wait. You're invited. Sometimes it's custom. Sometimes it's offered quietly, after years of loyalty to the brand. And when it arrives, it doesn't come in a shopping bag. It comes in an armored car, with insurance and paperwork, and a call from someone who speaks in whispers. No logo required. A watch speaks louder than any name, but not bulky substantial. Like you're holding value, like you're holding respect. You don't spend $200,000 on a watch to tell time. The richest people in the room might not show it at all. They might wear it under a cuff, hidden from view. Because for them, the power isn't in being seen. It's in knowing that what they wear could buy your entire block. You spend it to tell the world who you are. You wear it in meetings that decide futures. On jets that never fly commercial. At dinners where the check is never seen. A level of success where the watch on your wrist holds more value than some businesses. A level where luxury isn't bought, it's curated. Quietly, privately, intentionally. The bracelet hugs your fingers with that. It's unmistakable feel solid gold, iced out, every link perfect. Some are set with rare canary yellow diamonds, black sapphires, even meteorite fragments from outer space. You're not just wearing jewelry, you're wearing history, engineering, earth, time, each stone inspected, each placement deliberate. You don't wear this to impress. You wear this to dominate. Before the box is even opened, you feel the weight, not just in grams, but in meaning. Because this isn't gendered, it's elite. It's a language spoken only by those who know how to listen. The outer case is layered in black leather, embossed with gold, and then the light hits the diamonds. It doesn't shout, it doesn't need to. Because the moment your fingers run over the stitching, you already know this isn't fashion. It's craftsmanship. A small key unlocks the latches. The hinges move with no sound, no friction. Smooth, controlled, perfect. You don't just see the gears, you hear them, showing you the soul of the machine. No battery, no shortcuts. And this watch is powered by mastery, not electricity. Every tiny screw inside was placed by someone trained for years, and that attention. You feel it in every second that passes. Tick, tick, like a heartbeat made of diamonds and gold. It's not just sparkle. It's a shimmer that almost stings your eyes. It's a case of the watch. You lift it from the case. Slowly, carefully, it's heavy. Heavier than you expect. This isn't some mass-produced luxury name. This is a timepiece crafted in Switzerland, assembled by hand over months. The movement inside a tourbillon caliber with micro-rotor precision. Flip the watch and you'll find sapphire crystal on the case back. It's transparent. Slide it onto the wrist and everything changes. But here's what most people don't understand. Because in that world, the watch is a handshake before words. This isn't a piece you buy in a mall. It's not just men buying it. Women, too, are stepping into the world of luxury timepieces, building collections that rival art galleries. Some of these watches are one of one, never to be made again. And yet the most powerful part? It doesn't even need to be noticed. This isn't a flex. It's a frequency. And when you finally own a piece like this, you realize something no one tells you. You're not just keeping time anymore. You've joined the few who own it.